how to use Beautiful.ai. Right. So the first step is actually signing into the platform. So please make sure to create an account, and you may need to provide your credit card or debit card info to proceed after creating an account. All right. So guys, from here, just sign in and then head over to where we have the create presentation. So go ahead and click on new presentation. Beautiful AI may give you several ways to begin, such as starting with a blank presentation or using templates that are professionally designed or even making use of AI to actually generate your presentation from a prompt. And you can also import existing PowerPoint presentations. So choose the best option that fits your project. All right, and after that, just go ahead and add and edit your slides. So just to add a slide, click on Add Slide. You'd see an option here to add a slide, and then choose from different slides layout like a title slide, a text slide. Just go with the essential slides like this, and then simply click on any text box you want to edit your content on. Beautiful.ai automatically adjusts the layouts as you add or remove content, helping your site stay clean and organized. All right, and you can also customize your presentation. You can personalize it by changing the fonts, accent colors, background, showing the footer, and your text colors as well, and animation effects too. So changes to your themes are usually applied across the entire presentation, helping maintain a consistent look. And you can also make use of some AI features, like I mentioned earlier, as one of the biggest advantages of Beautiful.ai is its AI powered tools. So, depending on your plan, you may be able to generate slide content from a prompt, rewrite your text, summarize information, improve layouts, and generate images. These features can save a lot of time when building presentations. And you can also collaborate with others. It's really easy. Just use the share button and you can easily collaborate with others. All right. And once you're done there, just go ahead and export. So when your presentation is finished, you can click on present to view it, and you can also click on the drop down to share it as well. So you can share to collaborate, click on the drop down here to download it. All right, guys, and that's it.